There are two ways that I make my banga stew. I was actually torn in between the one to post first, guys. Like, I didn't know, but I just decided to save the best for the last. So if you're watching this, just know there's another banger recipe that is coming after this. It might not be immediately because I can't just post banga, but I'm gonna post that one shortly after this one. Okay, that one is a bomb. Like, that is the one I prepare when there is a special thing on board. So if you're meeting us for the first time, my name is Chex. You're welcome back to my kitchen. Let's prepare this banga stew together. Of course, we'll be needing our banga concentrate. Okay, so if you don't know how to prepare this at home, I have a detailed video on it. It's already up on my channel, so just go and watch it so you can prepare your own at home. For our protein, we'll be needing beef. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use goat meat, just suit your preference. Then we'll need stockfish. Okay, it must not be the head, it can be any part. For our spices, we'll need oba and ehuru. Okay, you need your crayfish, pepper, salt to taste. Then we'll need some vegetables. Here I've got my scent leaf and ugu leaf. These are the two vegetables I normally use on this recipe. Sometimes I use uziza leaves as well. Okay, there's no limit to the type of leaf you can use, just do you. I use fresh pepper as well. Now let's go into the main business of the day. Into your boiling stock, okay, you should go in with your stockfish at this point. Remember, you have been steaming your meat for some time, well spiced. Okay, spice to your taste. Then you put in your stockfish and then add more water to enable them to cook. After it has boiled for some time, you go in with your banga concentrate. Please guys, this is the base of this stew. Make sure this concentrate is as fresh as possible or properly preserved, like in my own case. I still maintain, if you don't know how to make your own and preserve them to last for a long time for you, please go and watch the video I've made on it on my channel. It's already up there. This concentrate you're seeing here has been in my freezer for like 3 months now. I kid you not, and it's still very fresh and tasty. So make sure you're using a very fresh banga, because anything short of that, your stew is already messed up. I want to take a minute to appreciate all our new subscribers. Our numbers are increasing gradually and steadily, guys. I appreciate you all and I welcome you all with my whole heart. Okay, you will love it here, I assure you. Okay, just do us well by liking our videos, leaving us a good comment and interacting with us more on the comment section, guys, and feel free to share our videos. Now go in with your spices. Add your crayfish, add your dawa, add your ehuru, add your whatever you want to add at this point. Taste and adjust your seasoning at this point before adding your salt. Guys, don't forget, salt should be the last thing you normally add in your meals. Our banga stew is making sense already. So we go in with our scent leaf at this point. You have to go in with scent leaf first of all so that the whole stew will absorb the whole aroma and the scent of this leaf, basically. Okay, so you go in with your scent leaf, allow them to boil together for a while. Your ugu leaf should be the last thing you add to this stew. Okay, when you're making banga stew with banga concentrate, especially the thin one or the one you prepared at home, like that, you know the concentration. Okay, don't bother about the consistency, whether it's too loose at this point, because this soup, just give it 5 minutes off the fire and everything will thicken more. So when I am making it, I don't make it very thick from the onset, especially when I'm using my homemade banga concentrate. It comes together eventually, so don't bother about the looseness of the stew, except you are the type that likes your stew, your banga stew, very, very thick. Personally, I don't like it very, very thick, neither do I like it very loose. I just want it to be in between, and that is what I got at the end of the day. So here I'm adding my ugu leaves, and after that there's one last ingredients that we'll add. Without this ingredient, guys, your banga stew no dey complete. Take it from me, okay? And that is our odogu catfish, smoked catfish. I didn't show you guys from the beginning because it was still in the oven drying. Okay, now you add it in gently, cover this pot so that everything will cook together. It was everything and more. Like, the banga stew made so much sense, guys. And look at it, just look at it. Just enjoy this with any rice of your choice, yam. Some even use it for swallow, and it still makes so much sense, guys. And until next time, I remain Checks. Don't forget that I love you, especially my OGs and my new subscribers. I love you all, and see you all in my next one. Bye.